वाओ यार, कितने दिन हो गए यार, मैं वेकेशन पे ही नहीं गया। राज को फोन करता हूँ। हेलो। ए राज, कैसा है?
हाय रमेश।
वेकेशन पे चलेगा क्या?
वेकेशन? नहीं यार, I have two projects यार, two projects, big projects going on man.
यार तूने पिछली बार भी यही बोला था यार।
I know. Maybe next time. Okay? Take care dude, bye.
कर तू, काम ही कर तू, चल बाय।
2000 years later.
ऑस्ट्रिया डन, राजस्थान डन, मेघालय डन, पेरिस डन, इटली डन, मनाली? ये मनाली तो रह गया यार। राज को फोन करूं क्या?
हाय रमेश।
हेलो राज, कैसा है?
ठीक ही हो यार, थोड़ा आई हैव दिस बैक एक नो, इसलिए बस हाँ थोड़ा तबीयत ठीक नहीं है।
अरे मैं क्या सोच रहा था, अभी तू रिटायर हो गया है तो मनाली चले क्या?
वेकेशन? नहीं यार, मेरा तो दवा भी ख़त्म हुआ है घुटने का। तू जा एंजॉय कर, ओके?
तेरी परेशानियां तो ख़त्म ही नहीं होती।
हाँ मैं आराम करता हूँ, चल बाय, टेक केयर।
ठीक है, तू आराम कर, चल बाय। ये था मेरा दोस्त राज। पिछले 30 साल से सोच रहा हूँ इसके साथ वेकेशन पे जाऊंगा, पर इसका काम और परेशानियां हैं कि जो ख़त्म ही नहीं होते। क्या आप भी राज की जैसी ज़िंदगी जीना चाहते हैं, या जो सपने आपने 18 या 20 साल की उम्र में देखे थे वो 30 और 40 साल की उम्र में पूरा करना चाहते हैं? अगर आपका जवाब हाँ है तो चलिए मेरे साथ। और हाँ, सारे रमेश बोरिंग नहीं होते।
Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Prerna and I'm on a mission to make India talk about money without any taboo. So yes, today we are finally going to talk about the concept of FIRE. Yes, I have been meaning to talk about it for very long. I have been mentioning it here and there in all my videos. But today we'll get down and understand exactly what the FIRE is. Okay, first of all, what FIRE stands for? It stands for Financial Independence and Retire Early. So I've heard so many people talking about earn more money, invest more money, save more money, have more money. But why? Like my question is, why you want to have that much money? And that is exactly what is answered by a concept of FIRE, and that is why I love this concept so much. It gives you a purpose for which you are earning money. It gives you a figure to which you are trying to reach. No road in the world would make any sense if it is not leading you to any destination. So to understand better, I have divided the FIRE into 9 stages. But before getting into that, I first want to understand what do you mean by retirement. Okay, if I'll put in a very simple words, retirement for me is a freedom to work towards something but not for money. It could be for my passion, it could be for staying active, it could be for staying engaged, but it is definitely not for money. Yes, money could be a byproduct, but I'm not working every day my ass off to earn money. And that is the freedom which FIRE gives you. So let's see how. The very first stage is to find your FIRE number. Unless you know where you want to reach, you can't reach there. If you don't know you have to go to Iceland, you can even take a Moscow flight.
Stop it. Get some help.
So we will talk about the FIRE numbers and how to find them. So when we talk about retirement and financial independence, we take next 25 years in consideration. So first step would be take your monthly expenses, multiply it by 12. That would be your yearly expenses, and then multiply it by 25. Now this 25 will give you your expenses over the period of 25 years. But we are also gonna take the inflation into account. So let's see how that works. So guys, I have come to this site called Advisor Coach. It is not a paid promotion. I really like how they've explained things. So suppose your fire number is 2 CR, you can put whatever your fire number is here, and then in how many years you want to achieve it. Like suppose you are 30 and you want to achieve it by 45, so I put 15 years there. Now the rate of inflation, I have put 6%. You can change it according to whatever you feel is right and going on currently. If you put a inflation number 6, now your fire number is not 2 CR, it is 4.79 CR. Yes, that's how a big difference inflation makes.
So number 2 is find your net worth. How to do that? Net worth is assets minus liabilities. Write down all your assets and liabilities. Okay, I understand what are assets and what are liabilities, coming to that. So asset is anything which is giving you returns, making money for you, and liability is anything towards which you are making a payment. So take a total of all your assets and liabilities, and whatever difference comes, that is your net worth. Suppose your net worth comes negative, stage number 3 is make your net worth positive. How to do that now? Simple, increase your assets and lower your liabilities. Not that simple. I know a lot of people don't have enough money to invest in assets and build more assets initially. In that case, what you need to do, first try to lessen your liabilities. That will automatically bring you into a positive loop. Now in stage 4, that you are already out of that negative net worth and your net worth is positive, you have to build it to a level that it is equal to your 1 year expenses. Suppose you do not have a job for 1 year, your net worth should be sufficient to make you or enable you survive for that 1 year. Suppose you have a monthly asset of 40,000, your liability for 20,000. In that case, your month on month net worth is 20,000. Your yearly net worth would be 2.4 lakhs or rounded up to 2.5 lakhs. In next stage, that is stage 4, you need to build this 1 year net worth with you. Okay. So stage number 5 is build a network of 10% of your fire number. This is the right stage where you can start investing in your side hustle. I would say you can have a side hustle since the beginning, but where you actually start putting money in your side hustle to make it grow bigger, it is this stage. Next is stage 6, where you need to build a net worth equal to 25% of your fire number. I know I have been talking about this percentage, but I am not giving you any specific time frame. There's a particular reason for that, and I'm going to talk about it in my next video. So make sure you subscribe to this channel for that next video. And if you have liked this video up till now, do give it a big thumbs up. Coming to stage 7, you need to have a net worth equal to 50% of your fire number. This is the time you have to hold tight and do not give up. But this is the time where you need to go big and try to make your side hustle, if you are having any, into a full-time business. Next comes the stage 7, where you have built your net worth equal to 75% of your fire number. This is the time you need to go back and check whether the fire number which you have decided initially is still valid. Recalculate it, review it, and if are there any changes, you can adjust in our last segment. Next is stage 9, and this is the most awaited stage. You have built a net worth equal to 100% of your fire number, and you have now a freedom to work or retire, but without any pressure of earning money, because you have made a lifestyle, you have developed a lifestyle over a period of time, which will give you freedom to retire at this stage and follow your passion or just be engaged in whatever activity you want. So this is a power of fire number, guys. It is not just a number or something which I am just telling you. It is really powerful. I have already started my journey a year back, and to be honest, I am at a very comfortable position. So do make sure you subscribe to this channel for more such videos and sharing this journey together. I hope to see you in next video. Until next time, bye bye.